Add some pizzazz to your brand content with this AI headline generator. Grab the reader's attention with catchy slogans, titles, phrases, and sentences crafted using the motto generator. WriteMe.ai is a perfect LinkedIn headline generator tool for professionals. Hello everyone, I am here to assist you in using WriteMe.ai. Today I am going to share how to use WriteMe.ai to write high-converting headlines and taglines for your businesses in few easy steps. As you know, first you have to select your desired language, your tone of voice, and your preferred use case. Then, input some relevant information about your business goals and the value it is providing to the users. Finally, simply click Write Me. That's it. Your catchy tagline headline is ready to grab the well-deserved attention. Generate unique taglines and headlines ideal for attracting the audience and getting your point across the users. Explore new AI content creator suggestions and rule your competition. With the new and improved user interface and user experience, it is now much easier and simpler to use WriteMe.ai. I hope that we are providing you with the complete details on how to use WriteMe.ai Creator to generate meaningful content for you. If not, please tell us in the comments section. Thanks. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.